Hey everybody, my name is Alexis and I am so excited to have you with me here today. I will be sharing with you how I create and apply my coconut oil hair mask. If you don't know already, coconut oil is amazing, number one for hair growth, as well as strengthening and restoring your hair if there's any damage. I used to do this routine all the time and I even filmed a video on my channel which almost has 1 million views. It is crazy to me just about how I apply this oil to my hair. But my routine has completely upgraded and changed since I filmed that video, so I decided to make a new one and share it with you all today. I did stop using this coconut oil on my hair when I was in college. I didn't always have the oil and it's a little bit messy, but now I am back to using it consistently and I've noticed a huge difference in my hair with the shine and the elasticity of my curls. And I do apply this hair mask maybe twice a month, so every 2 weeks, and it's super easy to make, takes about 10 minutes total and then another 15 to apply to your hair. So if you want to transform your hair and bring it back to life, then I will show you how to make this hair mask. I don't measure 100% accurately, I kind of just pour and then go from there. So starting with the avocado oil first. Can focus. This is the one that I use. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit like that. Same with the olive oil. This one's from Costco. There we go. Okay, so this olive oil is from Costco. Gonna go ahead and add a little bit. Olive oil is so good in my hair. I don't know what it is about this product, but my hair loves it so much. Jamaican black castor oil. This is the brand that I use. It'll focus. There we go. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and pour like that. Okay. And then here is that peppermint oil. This is the brand that I use. And then I take the whole lid off this and pour it in. And I do the heat on medium high. And the last part is coconut oil. I think this one is from Target. Let's see. I live in Las Vegas and usually in the summer this will be completely melted, but we're not at that point yet. It's still spring right now. And then, oh, it's really soft though. Take about that much coconut oil. Gonna go ahead and add it in. Okay. And now all of the oil is in here. That's what it looks like while it's all melting. And then I stir it on the medium-low heat until the coconut oil is fully absorbed. And pour it in the glass jar here. So this is what it looks like once it's all mixed together. Come on, camera. Hi! So this next part is the messy part. Oliver! Hi, bud! So he smells the oil, that's why he's in here. What fun. But what I'm gonna do is remove everything from the counter. It gets really messy. My camera is about to die, so I'll probably switch to my phone recording soon. So if the quality changes, that's why. But here we go. I'm gonna begin. Let's take down this bun first. That feels so good. So this is what my hair looks like now. I'll show you the curls. So it kind of looks a little bit dry right now and you can see that the pattern is not really that strong. So I'll show you before and after results after I apply the coconut oil so that you can actually see the difference in my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and section it off using the clip. I usually like to split my hair down the middle and go from there. So I'll section off one side using the clip. I swear this coconut oil hair mask makes your hair so much thicker too. My hair used to be really, really long when I was in high school and I think it's because I was always doing this hair mask. So I'm definitely gonna get back into it now. There's also a lot of rumors that coconut oil is not good for your hair. I think everyone's hair is just different, but personally for me, coconut oil is great. So I think test and see if it works well for your hair. But for me and for most of my friends who have curly hair, it is amazing. So I section everything off into 4 sections, and then beginning with this side, all that I do is take my fingers, the oil's still really warm, put it in the bowl, and then I start from the ends to my roots, and I just go and rub the coconut oil mixture all throughout my hair. Okay, hopefully you can see me. And you can see why it's so messy. As I do this, there's oil getting everywhere, but it's so worth it. So this process usually takes me about 10 minutes, and then I let the coconut oil sit on my hair for 20 to 45 minutes, just depending on what that day is looking like. And as I get to the root of my hair, I really massage the oil into my scalp. Feels so good. And it's really, really helpful if you have any buildup or dandruff. It really clarifies your scalp. Okay, so the amount that you want to use, it depends on how thick your hair is. I like to kind of drench my hair in the oil so that it looks wet. And then I just kind of comb through my hair. You don't have to completely detangle your hair. I think it's impossible for me to do that with my hair being dry and using my fingers. I also do want to mention, if you have acne or if your skin breaks out and is really sensitive, I would be careful doing this routine. I used to have really, really bad acne too. You can go and see my other videos to see my before and afters. And I went on Accutane to help get rid of my acne, long story short. But coconut oil really, really messed with my skin when I would do this and had breakouts. So I would be careful if you do have breakouts and you want to do this routine. Because coconut oil is super comedogenic, meaning that it clogs your pores and is not the best for everyone's skin. So that is my warning with this oil. The parts of my hair that is extra dry, which is for me right here, the crown of my hair, that's where I really, really focus on applying my coconut oil and rubbing it into my scalp, as well as the ends of my hair, because that has the most damage. It also does not matter if you have product in your hair or if your hair is wet or dry. You can kind of experiment and see what works for you. I never really care if I have product in my hair. I still will go ahead and put this oil in. And right now I have a bunch of Moroccan oil leave-in conditioner and eco gel in my hair, so it really does not matter what you have as long as you can apply the coconut oil evenly. Okay, so this side is pretty much done. I'll go ahead and show you close up what it looks like. And I am going to braid this side to keep it out of the way, and then move to the next side. So see, it's super, super quick, so easy to do. And there's coconut oil that's dripping out of my hair now. Okay. Ouch. I got this piercing last July, and it is currently April, and it still really, really hurts. So I have to be really careful when I'm applying this coconut oil. If anyone knows how to stop making that piercing hurt, please let me know, because it's almost been a year and it's still painful. I have the helix right here on the hoop of my ear, and it hurts so bad. Every time I lay down, every time I shower or hit it, it hurts so bad, but it's cute, so I guess it's worth it. Okay. Last side. Go ahead and clip this part away. Okay. And I'm going to do the same exact thing to this side now. barely have enough oil left. I used to use so much and then I would always waste it, so now I'm trying to conserve the oil a little bit more. But I have the perfect amount for this last part. Okay, so the coconut oil is all gone now and my hair is fully coated. So I'm gonna go ahead and braid this side now and show you how I wrap it up for the actual treatment to start working. Oh my gosh, there's oil all over me. So what I'm gonna do now is kind of just twist my hair back to be in a bun. Clip that up. So I just have some regular grocery bags. So the purpose of this is to keep the heat in your hair, really soak and nourish your hair with the oil. So I guess it's almost like a hot oil treatment, except you're not using any heat. It's just the heat that's coming from your body, and your head is really warm. So it really helps to nourish and actually use that oil to get into your hair better. Tie it like that. I use two just because the oil really pours out, and I like to make sure it's secure. So this t-shirt I use in my hair after I get out of the shower. I'll wrap my hair in it because it's way better than a towel, way less frizz for curly hair. And I wrap this around my head as well, so this really keeps the heat in and helps with that absorption process. So now that this is secure on my head, I am going to first clean my bathroom and then wait about 30 minutes today. And then I will show you guys the shampoo and the conditioner that I use to rinse this out and what my results look like. So I will be right back. Hey guys, I am back. I just showered and I left the coconut oil hair mask on for about 45 minutes today. My hair feels so good and healthy and soft. So I'll go ahead and show you what I used in the shower. I used the Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore shampoo. This is what it looks like up close. I love this product. I've been using this shampoo for years and years, and it is just amazing. It really feels good on my scalp. And then I used the Shea Moisture. Promise this is not sponsored by Shea Moisture. I just genuinely love their products. I use the Daily Hydration Conditioner. So this is with coconut milk and acacia. I'm not even gonna pronounce it. But it's a coconut oil conditioner. I get it at Costco. It's huge, which my hair really needs because I go through conditioner so quickly. It smells like coconuts, so good, and it makes my hair super soft and hydrated. So I use these two in the shower. And then once I finish rinsing the conditioner on my hair in the shower, I will use the Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. This is the Jamaican black castor oil line, and I really love this product. It makes my hair super smooth. It's really good for 3C type curls. So if you have that type of curl pattern, then I would highly recommend trying this conditioner. I like it better than Cantu. I like it better than Miss Jessie's. This is my favorite, and I swear it makes your hair grow. I think it's the castor oil that's in here. So I use this, apply it all over my hair, and then I wrap my hair up in a t-shirt, kind of soak up all of the water. And then once I move on to the styling, I really love the Moroccan Oil Curl Defining Cream. This is probably my favorite curly hair product that I've ever used. One, because of the smell, but also it just makes my curls so shiny and healthy. And I get this product from a salon. I know that the quality is really good. It's a little bit pricey, but for me it's worth it. And then I use a salon product, and then I use a super cheap drugstore product. But this Eco Gel, the olive oil gel, is my absolute favorite. I've tried so many gels, none of them hold my hair like this one does. I used to live closer to the beach and my hair would get really frizzy out there. This would hold my hair all day, so I love it. I'll probably never stop using this. and I use it to really define the curls. Those are all of the products that I use. I'll give you a close-up of what my hair looks like so you can see the curls a little bit better. So I'm going to go ahead and go blow dry my hair. It'll take about 10 to 15 minutes. I will insert a video of what my hair looks like once it's fully dry so that you can see the curls, what they actually look like. I am so happy that you guys watched this video, and if you try out this hair mask, please comment down below or message me on Instagram. Let me know how it works for your hair. I love it so much, and I'm so grateful and excited that I could share it with you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.